Hello everyone, welcome back to 5D, and today we're gonna start with drawing a straight line, the graphs, and finding their slope. Um, so the first thing first, we're gonna start drawing in our Cartesian plan. Uh, so with linear relation. So if I say the straight line, normally just y and x, there's nothing else. Um, so what does that mean is, for example, we had y equal to 2 plus 2x plus 1, or 3x minus 2, or 10 minus 5x, and 6x or something like that. So we actually, this is a whole straight line graph we can say in our like normal life. Yeah. So how we do the straight line? We had some like the examples for you guys. The better way is we create a table first. This is a step one always. So we write down 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then we substitution into our relation, which is a formula, and then find the y. So this is how that works. Um, yeah, so once you had those points and you use the line, connect all those points, and that's a straight line slope coming up. Um, yeah, so I'm not going to doing this one by hand first, and then I'm using the CAS calculator to solve these kind of things with CAS as well. So we're gonna plug the graph, which is when y equal to 8 minus 2x, forming table values and from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. The first thing first, we write y equal to a minus 2x first, and then we create table. Yeah, so this is the step one. So step one, create a table. And this is x, this is y. So 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Sorry, that's not even, but yeah. Anyway, once x equal to 0, when x equal to 0, so 2 times 0 equal to 0. So we know it. So 8 minus 0, what does that equals? 8 minus 0 equal to 8. So that's starting point. And the second point, when x equal to 1. So what is x equal to 1 equals? So x equal to 1, and with substitution y equal to 8 minus 2 times 1. So which is 8 minus 2 equal to 6. Second one is 6. And then we keep going. So when x equal to 2, so 8 minus 2 times 2 equal to 8 minus 4, that's equal to 4. And with substitution 3, that equal to 2. With substitution 4, so it's 8 minus 8 equal to 0. So this is all dot points. That's actually, it's a point. It's what points we're representing. So we're representing a linear, which is called Cartesian plan. The Cartesian plan with x and y. So this is your second step. Okay, we all start from 0. Okay, we say 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Okay, so 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4. So this is our Cartesian plan. So the first point is 0 when x equal to 0, y equal to 8. So we circle that one. The second point, when x equal to 1, so that point will be 6. When x equal to 2, y equal to 4. So this is another one. So this is another point. And when x equals 3, that equal to 2. So we just keep going. So we can say that become 2 from a top right, sorry, top left. What the hell? Didn't change. Sorry, I tried to draw the straight line, but yeah. So we can say this dot point They should be connected. Perfect. So this is the dot points we need in our Cartesian plan. Yeah. And we can say this is a straight line. And then now, once you finish, you don't have to know this one there. Yeah. So you can say this is our straight line. Yep. Perfect. Hopefully that makes sense. And now what we do is we could write our Cartesian formula, which is 8 minus 2x in this formula. Now we're using the CAS calculator. To calculate this one. So first thing first, we're going to start with a graph. So I want you guys to open your CAS from the home. So the second one, the graphs. And now what we do is 8 minus 2 multiplied by x and plug in. So we can say this is the straight line, but the thing is we need to figure out our window settings. So we can setting our windows to look at the points looks like. So we're going to menu. And can anyone say the room? Yeah. And I'm gonna setting up with the x minimum point, which is 0. So because we start from 0. And the maximum point we start from maybe 5. And then we know the minimum point is 0 as well. And the maximum point we can say is 10. So we set up this little document. We can see this straight line. That's clearly a very nice straight line. And now what we do is we can tracing the graph. So we're going to trace the graph tracing. So you can see the point. So if I say if it's a 3, that's a 2. So if I go into 2, that's a 4. If I go into 1, we just keep pressing the left button. Oh, 1 is 6. And then if I go into 0, that's 8. And also the here things is called y-intercept. We talk about that later with our a little bit challenging part, but x-intercept, that means you connect with the y values on the y Cartesian plan. Hopefully that makes sense. And we're going back to this. So now what we do is I'm gonna press the Control and T so we can see our values. So what we do is we're gonna try to set up our values is Control plus T. So we're gonna set up the table. So do Control and T. So you can say here's a table to showing you what's all the integer number we have. So it's pretty cool actually. And hopefully that all makes sense. And we're gonna do that again during the class. And hopefully that all makes sense for you. Okay? So we haven't finished all the 5D. I'm gonna change to the next video. I'm gonna finish talk about slope. Okay? Don't leave too long, and then I'll see you guys next time.